like they're demolishing this building over here.
Right outside of USC.
Alright, after circling the block about 4 times, trying to read signs and sit in traffic and ask a few people, we finally parked.
So it's actually 105 degrees today. So a good thing is we're going to a museum, which is usually AC to protect the artifacts. And then just a little disclaimer for you guys. We didn't know we had to park a mile to get to this place. So the parking garage we're in, actually had to make a turn around the corner. And here's the Natural History Museum itself, right behind this tree. We gotta see the dinosaurs. So do you know what's special about the honey badger? What? They don't give a shit. Good thing he's fake, or else he would be telling you how much he doesn't give one. The meteorites, I don't think I've ever seen one of those in person. This one looks like a little brain, huh? We got a piece of cabbage over here. I guess that's how crystals sit in the ground. Just like that, hidden from everybody. Crystal ball. Thanks. Speaking of all the metals and everything, the most valuable of them all, gold. Back in the day, $1,300 to buy you a car. What on earth is this? Let's go ahead and find out the answer. The answer is a tooth world. Tooth world? T-Rex toe bone. You go ahead and get to feel it for yourself. Pretty cool. Imagine going toe to toe with this thing, looking directly at you. There's 3 different sets of teeth right there. One to the far left is the Spinosaurus, the T-Rex is in the middle, and then the Allosaurus to the right. Look at the size of that foot. This place reminds me of Jurassic World right now. All we need is some dinosaurs. Real lifestyle. This pterodactyl, that thing's huge. This place is incredibly busy too, so it kind of sucks, but pretty cool from what we can see so far, and it is free for active duty military, so that's a plus. And it's just remarkably hot in here. For a museum that you would probably think would be kind of cool. The oldest known dinosaur's footprint in California, that is. Look how big that thing is. So go ahead and use your imagination. They kind of did it for you, but you can see what that thing would look like. So the aquatic ones, all the way to the land ones, and then to the baby ones. Hey! And you're overlooking all the dinosaurs down below with little food sources. It'd be pretty epic. Dino eggs.
These are replicas of these.
Yeah. So these are the real ones. So a lot of people believe that birds exist from dinosaurs. And the reason they say that is because the behaviors of all that kind of stuff, behaviors and genetic makeup, the behaviors emulate a lot of what birds did, or birds do, I should say. I remember growing up as a kid, I wanted to be a paleontologist. It's kind of crazy because this would be the tools I'd be using. Little brushes, pickaxe. Can't forget your hat and your boots. And of course, they like to use the GPSs. You guys take a guess? It's a little Littlefoot. Back over here, just look at the different textures of the dinosaurs. So now you kind of see why people always think they're scaly looking. Alright, bye-bye dinosaurs. Now it's time to see the age of the mammals. And it is pretty warm up in here. I'm going to go ahead and guess that that is a land sloth. Let's go find out what that thing is. Ground sloth. The basic principle of this room is the art of evolution from past the dinosaur age. Go ahead, pick the next exhibit. Where you want to go? We're following you. He's heading straight for the bison. It's crazy, they got a lot of detail in here. If you look in those woods, you'll see some wolves stalking the bison. size of a quarter, swim 100 yards underwater, can fall 50 feet and survive. Galapagos tortoise, size of this guy. All right.
That's gonna do it from the Los Angeles County Museum of Natural History.
Yeah, the LA Natural History Museum. So, other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, we'll see you guys in the next one.
Oh, and hang on, turn around or show the, just so you guys know, the Coliseum is right in front of the museum.
So that's home to the LA Rams for now.
And the USA Trojans. Trojans. Yeah.
Yep. So that's where we walked from. The Science Museum's out this way, and then we still have to go farther to get back to our parking area, so that's why it's kind of a pain in the butt. There's some pretty cool architecture out here though. A little ramp, and it kind of comes to stairs over here. But yeah, if you guys are into the Egyptian stuff, they have King Tut's treasures out here at the Science Center, so come visit. Dang, you left the lights on. That's not good.